In this video, we are going to explore the typical structure of a React project. Understanding the file and folder organization is crucial for building scalable and maintainable React applications. Let's dive in. To get started, let's see how to create a new React application. We'll be using Create React App, which is a popular tool for setting up React projects with a sensible default configuration. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app myapp. This command sets up a new React project named myapp. Once it's done, navigate into your project directory using cd myapp. Finally, to start the development server, run npm start. Now let's take a look at the basic project structure that Create React App provides. At the root level, you'll find several important folders and files. There's the public folder, which contains static assets. The Src folder is where your React components and application logic reside. Then there is a node_modules folder, which houses all the installed dependencies. The Package.json file manages project metadata and dependencies. Also, we have PackageLock.json to ensure consistent dependency versions. README.md usually has project documentation. Finally, there is .gitignore, which specifies intentionally untracked files that Git should ignore. Let's delve into the public folder. This folder contains static assets that will be served directly by the web server. The most important file here is index.html, which serves as the main template for your React application. It's where the React app will be mounted. You'll also find other assets like favicon.ico, logo images, a manifest.json file for progressive web app configurations, and a robots.txt file for search engine crawlers. Next up is the Src folder, which is the heart of your React application. This is where you'll find all your React components and application source code. Key files include App.js, which is the main application component, along with its associated app.css for styling, and app.test.js for testing. You'll also see index.js, which is the entry point that renders the app component into the DOM. Also, there is index.css for global styles and logo.svg, as well as reportwebvitals.js. Let's examine the index.js file more closely. This file is the entry point of your React application. It imports React, React DOM, global styles from index.css and the main app component. It then uses React DOM.createRoot to mount the app component into the root element of your index.html file. This is where React takes over and begins rendering your application. Now let's take a look at App.js. This file defines the main application component. It imports the ./app.css file for styles. Inside the app function, it returns a JSX structure that defines the user interface. In this example, it's a simple div with a header that displays Hello React. This component is then exported as the default export, making it available for use in other parts of the application. The Package.json file is crucial for managing your project's metadata and dependencies. It includes essential information such as the project's name, version, and a set of scripts for various tasks. The scripts section defines commands like start to begin the development server, build to create a production build, and test to run test suites. The dependencies section lists all the packages that your project relies on, along with their specified versions. Let's explore some common NPM commands that you'll frequently use in your React projects. NPM start is used to start the development server, allowing you to view your application in the browser. NPM run build is used to create a production-ready build of your application, optimizing it for deployment. NPM test is used to run the test suites, ensuring that your code is working as expected. NPM install is used to install the dependencies listed in your package.json file, setting up your project with the required libraries and tools. To wrap up, let's discuss some best practices for organizing your React project structure. First, organize your components in separate folders. This makes it easier to locate and manage individual components. Secondly, keep CSS files close to their corresponding components. This promotes modularity and makes styling more maintainable. Thirdly, write tests for each component. This helps ensure the reliability and correctness of your code. Finally, use absolute imports for cleaner code. Absolute imports make your import statements more readable and less prone to errors when you move files around. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.